What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Reverend. Today we have a multi-port cigarette lighter. Alright, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to the Reverend. If this is your first video with us, check out the other videos and maybe subscribe. Check it out. So, today, multi-port cigarette lighter. This is from Lihan company. It came in this box. It's got a double-sided, it's a Velcro with the sticky glue stuff on there, so you can put it on here and mount it to dashboard or wherever you see fit. And it comes with two extra, 15 amp fuses. So the fuse goes right here on the bottom. It comes with two extra. That's nice. So I've been using this for a couple days now. I absolutely love this thing. So if you are just, lazy and you don't want to hardwire anything to your truck, or if you have a device that uses this cigarette port thing and you move it from vehicle to vehicle and you don't want to hardwire it in, this is probably going to be your best option for you. So obviously you can go from one cigarette port to three if you need it, and plug in whatever it is you want. So cell phone chargers, a light, whatever the hell it is, air pump. But this one is a little over the top, and I'll show you guys why. So for starters, on the cigarette lighter port, you can't even tell, but this is actually a screen, and it tells you your input voltage into the box. So it should be 14 something when the car is running. Obviously, everything's working properly in your car, but very nice touch to have the voltage reading there. So you have the on-off switch here, which regardless of whether this device is on or off, your voltage meter is still working, which is nice. You got your two USB ports on this side, and on the front, USB 3.0. I don't know exactly why they put a 3.0 here and not on the sides, or why there's just the one here. It's not a data transfer, so you're not getting any upgradable charging speeds necessarily. Up here, I believe that's for your Samsung phones. That's like your FireWire or mini USB, I think it is called. I don't know. I'm running Apple, so it is what it is. But so here's your cigarette ports. So you plug all your devices here. You have individual switches to turn each one on, and there's white LEDs that tell you that it's on. Very, very nice. I really do enjoy using this product. It's well made. It's not a cheap Chinese garbage product. The wire is very thick. I think it's about maybe 2 foot, 3 foot long. So you can plug it in, tuck the wire behind, maybe mount this under your dashboard. Or actually, it would go like this, because you got your switches here, but mount it under your dashboard. And it is nice that you have the front USB, so you're not running a wire out the side necessarily. It doesn't give you, it's not the only option that the USB wires are right here. So, if you wanted to, you could run, I don't know, fully loaded with everything plugged in, how this thing's going to hold up, especially with only a 15 amp fuse. Use your mind when you're using these things, not just this brand, but any brand in particular. You can't plug everything into it, super high demanding power, and expect everything to run. You're charging two phones and another phone here and whatever the hell that port is, and 3 cigarette lighter items plugged into it. It's not going to happen. But if you had 3 different things that you may be using them at different times, or you don't need one without the other, whatever the story may be, you can always have your phone plugged in USB, either on the side or in the front, and 3 cigarette lighter ports that you can individually turn on as needed, which is super nice. So, wow. Anyway, that's what we got for you guys today. If you guys are looking for a cigarette lighter multi-port, here's all the specs. I'll show you guys on there in case you guys are interested in that. But that's all we got for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Check out our other tech and car aftermarket parts, products, services. They're all on there. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.